refine systems and as we learn new things from other cities, we integrate that into the next software update, and everybody benefits from that.
That's the big thing, Emily, is we're working with 600 cities. Each one of those cities comes up with new ideas and new functionality that we don't know about today. You know, connected vehicles, for instance, changing all the time. Emergency vehicles is changing. So what they come up with, the new features, is available to everybody. And that's why the over-the-air software updates. I mean, your phone, you get new software updates all the time. You can imagine buying a phone, and back in the day, you only had a certain set of apps. It's like not having an app store. You can't download anything new. So having over-the-air software updates really provides that ability of getting new functionality, and it's part of our service and connectivity agreement. We update everything for free. There's no charges or anything like that. So when you purchase a system, you're always guaranteed to have the latest technology. And as Emily said, what's really important is actually to go, when you buy the stuff, is to make sure, even if you're buying a traffic signal controller, whatever it is, make sure it's got over-the-air software updates. You don't want to have to send someone down there with a computer plug-in or thumb drive and update everything. It's a nightmare. It takes too much time and effort. So that allows you to actually get connected with all those things.